Good morning, gangsters! Oh my god. Oh. Whew. Right? Let's start the morning. 9:30, rocking and rolling. I gotta admit, I'm just now sitting down though. I'm just now sitting down. Oh, that didn't even work. Hold on, we gotta try to adjust that over there. Yeah, that looks okay. So PPI news this morning, generally speaking, we do reverse that entire stinking move. So I wouldn't be surprised if we come down to the 874 sooner than later. I'd like to be a part of it, but again, we're trying to practice a little bit of patience here. I think we did take out we took out the gap though last night, didn't we? During our London hours, we took out that gap. So hold on, just looking at the 5 minute here, trying to keep track of this stinking thing too. We're still battling VWAP right here. The 9 is trying to curl up over the 21. Oh, the only thing that stinks is watch it breaks 937. It gets me all excited, and then that ends up being a little trappity trap. But yeah, I would love to take this thing down all the way to the 870s. 931. We still have 40 seconds left of this candle. We're gonna try to be patient. Nvidia's trying to push up. ES is still pushing up. Qs have a gap to the downside. Where did SpaceX go? Oh, there you are. 137.71. So SpaceX has a little gap to the upside. No, 932. We got that wick that would have got me excited to go short. And now let's see if that was a little trappity trap for us to go up instead. Hey, Miguel. Good morning, good sir. How are we doing today, buddy? I think if it pushes 917 again, I think we gotta go short. I'm thinking down, man. Tentatively thinking down. My whole reasoning is CPI, PPI, I feel like news candles always get fully retraced, regardless of what happens for the rest of the day. Usually within the first, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, it gets retraced. So I'm a little bearish on the morning, thinking we're going to come down to like the 874s. But Nvidia is admittedly pushing really well. ES is pushing really well. So I don't know. And we did fill the gap. Yeah, we filled the gap last night. London. At 305 we filled the gap. $30,061. Oh, I mean, debatable. I guess it's debatable. Yeah, we did. 30,062. We filled the gap by literally one teeny tiny stinking tick, man. The tiniest little tick. We're still pushing down, so I'm going to try a little guy right here. And again, 875s would really be kind of the target here. It is still early, 9:33. We got 10 seconds left. The only thing I don't like again is ES and Nvidia are both still pushing at the moment, but that's the general thesis. Battling VWAP a little bit here, 9:34. We got 30 seconds left before we get a brand new 5 minute candle.
Channel growing, people tuning in.
Still getting a push up here. Let's see. Let's see how it reacts here at the 980s. Little wicky, little rejecty. Who's getting trapped? Am I getting trapped or Long's getting trapped? I have no idea right now. I would have liked that to come into the trend line. I was actually going to add in another one at the trend line, which I didn't. Now we got this massive bearish engulfing candle. Nvidia just turned red. How much time do we have left on this candle? 5 seconds left on this candle. Let's see if the next one starts pushing us down. No wick on the bottom of this one. So yeah, I feel like we should push down then.
Yeah, man. Sink or swim, but we float
Sink
together.
or swim, but we float together.
We no learn, either way we better.
Come on, you devil. Come on, you devil.
New York open.
How much time? 30 seconds still left of this candle. We're battling today, boys. Battling today. We just want it to go down. Go down. You got all this liquidity down here. So 870, yeah, 870 is London low. Come on, baby. Come down before we go up.
Some got win, some taking a loss. Still crack jokes, we don't feel the cost. NASDAQ moving, candles go out, but we keep it cool, keep the mindset style.
We're just kind of in the chop zone again.
Yeah, we break it down. No ego here, just a learning town. Ain't about flex, ain't about fame. We all came here to
Ooh, roars. We got a treat coming. We got a treat coming. Thank you. Yeah. Roars, come here. You gotta sit at the table with me though, so you don't get stuff everywhere. Sink or swim, but we float as a team. Guess we might as well drop the stop now. But look at that beautiful push down. Look at that beautiful push down. Let's see if we can get full price target out of it. 875 is what we were targeting. Come on, baby. Woo! Look at that push down. Woo! Yeah, Miguel. Good job, buddy. Good job. Nice, bud. Nice. We did it. We did it together. We did it together, good sir. We made $100 on that, so we got like 50 points. I don't know. I should have added in. Let's see. Bills in order. Show all. Yeah, that's not a bad trade. 75 down to 17. That's not a bad trade at all. The only thing we could have done better is when it came up to this trend line. But it didn't hit the trend line. We could have taken another one there and it would have helped us out. But still. Not a bad trade. Thank you, Mr. Miguel. I'm glad you were part of it with me, man.
Hey, Dad, where is he?
Where's who?
Miguel.
Oh, Miguel? He's in California. I know it. Maybe we'll get to visit him someday. Wouldn't that be cool? Could you imagine?
Yeah. I mean, maybe you can have a sleepover with him.
Yeah, maybe.
And Dad, isn't there napkins here?
Oh, they're really good.
I know.
Not bad, gang. Not bad. Miguel said hi to you. Yeah. Hey, you can come over here just a little bit, then you can see you. Yeah. You say hi, Miguel.
Hi, Miguel.
Say nice. Good job, Alex. Good job. All right, let's see if we can get another trade.
Let's get some money, God!
Let's get some money! Woo! Yeah, man. Those are very, very good. All right, down to the 850s. All right. Ooh. So Nvidia. Nvidia's coming down. What time is it? 9:40. We have a brand new, beautiful 5-minute candle. We came through. We broke. Man, I really like this indicator. I'm not gonna lie. I stole this from Lucas, and apparently Denny has it too, and I just didn't even notice it. But really like this indicator. So much easier to see all the levels and stuff like that. So look at us. We're about to break through Asian.
I got the middle out.
Whoa, that's a yummy bite. We're about to take out Asia as well. Look at that. 836. We basically did it. Beyond that, we just have top side of orb here. New York PM, Tuesday. Oh, that's freaking awesome. That goes till 4 o'clock, huh? Yeah, that makes sense. And then Asia starts at 8. That's pretty cool. 6 o'clock. Dang, yeah, I like this indicator. This is so much easier to visualize everything. I used to just have those stupid little lines up there.
Yeah, let's get some money!
You're firing me up, bud. You're firing me up. Yeah, I mean, we're sitting right there. Right at Asian low right now. So I could definitely potentially see a bounce here. I mean, we have the 800s right below us. 798. You fired Miguel up too. Don't be ripping all of our stuff up though.
No.
Now you have double napkin? Wow. That's pretty cool. Alright.
That was so good.
I mean, I've been kind of all about trend lines lately. I kind of, I wouldn't want to jump into another short right now, right? Because we're right at the kind of the bottom of the move here. I wouldn't want to go in and do a short again until we kind of come up here to VWAP 940s. Yeah.
Can you get a cup so I can get water?
Some water. I think that the long is probably a little bit of a safer bet, but same thing. We're so bearish at the moment. All right, hold on one sec, gang. I gotta go get the kid a cup of water. Oh, wait. Here, shut that for a second. Yeah, I know. That's what I was thinking. Do we have any, like, kids stuff? Well, you just have to take it over here. Well, no ice, baby. Here, just drink this water right here. That'll be perfect. Man, I forgot I got all my modern luxuries. Look at this. I'm about to make some coffee and everything.
Miguel, let's get some money! I'm actually finally bringing Miguel up.
You're firing him up? Good.
Yeah.
Fired up.
I saw his eyes go again.
That's the kind of move that the pros all know. It's not always bad when the market goes down, especially if you're short, you can still wear the crown. Come on down, let it fall real clean. Red down the charts, but keep on stay green. From the open bell to the final round.
What are you doing?
Wait for that, come on down.
Dad, what are you doing?
I'm gonna make some I'm gonna make some coffee.
Big up Bob Barker. And big up Greg. When the market drops, we don't beg, we just smile.
Oh, there's no coffee grounds in here though.
screens light up. Sink or swim, go live. Chat fill up.
Oh, yeah. Look at us. Look at us making coffee. Thanks, bud. This is our Airbnb. This is our you know, our Airbnb Airstream that we renovated. We actually have somebody booking it in 2 days. They're checking in 2 days, so I got to move everything out again. But I had all my stuff in the goat field because I was showing off the goats, and then it started raining, so I threw all this stuff in here. And man, it's just been so comfy and cozy in here. I love it in here, if I'm being honest. All right, so ES tried to form a bull flag, but it kind of invalidated it. It's a little low. It's not terrible yet. Same thing, Nvidia's forming a little bit of a bull flag, but it's looking real weak and ugly. Oh, here's the thing to take note of, though. Do I have the Qs on that screen or no? No, I don't. So Qs just filled their gap. Qs just filled their gap to the downside. So that could give us a potential push-up point. I mean, do we have any type of line here or no? Probably not, huh? Probably too far away. Yeah, it's too far away. Unless it would be something like this. Let's see. Yeah. Something like that. Come all the way down to the 700s, but holy jeez, man. I mean, we definitely cleaned up this wick right here. So maybe 760s. See how we react around the 760s. On the 1 hour, we have our 200 EMA down here at 760s. Yeah. So I think we're going to definitely hit the 760s, and that might be a really good bounce point then.
Voices in the scroll, trying to master self-control. One said, tighten up that wrist. Other said, don't rush like this. Greg's voice steady through it all. Teaching how to rise or fall. But because they both had changed a bit. Not just numbers, but the way
Hello?
they think one saw clearly where he went too fast. Start to know that patience.
Hold on. My phone's not working.
They didn't say it loud. But the truth
Hey, sorry, I was connected to my computer for some weird reason.
traders growing side by side.
Oh, okay. Can you just, do you mind bringing me out a couple of scoops of coffee?
Like the rising tide. Two traders drifting by unified through the winds, the lost.
We have everything else here. We don't have the coffee here. I have some water boiling right now. You know what I'm saying? Not good. Well, geez, guys, I guess we should have held that short. What did we get out? We got out at 75, 76. Yeah, we got out like right here. Could have gotten another 100 out of it. Damn. 870s now. ES is coming down to its. Ah, she did bring me the coffee. She did go. That's why we've been married for 10 years. You did 2 scoops? Oh, love it. Damn, there we go. All the way down to the 774s. Which was 6 o'clock, went all the way down to 746. We went down to 740. Well, here it is, 745.75 right there. Miguel's saying retracement, then short it. Man, I'm almost thinking the exact opposite. I'm thinking about longing it pretty soon. Because ES is almost to its 200 EMA. Triple Qs are almost to its 200 EMA after filling its gap. NVIDIA isn't looking insanely weak. And then this is our 6 o'clock, you know, 6 o'clock low. So I guess we're kind of thinking the same thing though, Miguel. I guess if we're being honest, is like you're saying retracement then short it. I guess I'm considering longing the retracement. Because we filled the gap to the upside too. We already filled that upside gap. We fell off in the 300s. 3,000 is pretty good. I don't know. Yeah, you're right. How many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is our 8th red candle in a row. Otherwise, 685 would be, you know, bottom side of yesterday's orb. That certainly could be a possibility as well. But I guess if you're looking at, yeah, opening range breakouts too, this is a beautiful breakout trade, right? You got a full 5-minute candle closure. There we go. There's the 200 EMAs. Same thing. That's the 200 EMA on the 1 hour. How many times? Damn, we still have 40 seconds left of this candle. I would have loved this to turn green and then enter on the next one if it's still green. But that's a lot of time left. Still 30 seconds. I got my kettle going off. Man, it's the little things in life. It's the little things in life. How funny is that, man? I've never had a kettle whistle before.
Markets open. Will we sink or will we swim? Sink or swim? Sink or swim? Sunrise glow and the screens light up.
You guys seeing French press being made at the BDH? Maybe soon. Maybe soon. Could you imagine those boys have their death water, and then I show up with a French press? Alright, let's see. So that did not turn green like I wanted it to turn for that little upside push. NVIDIA just kind of lost its little support. It's breaking down. We are forming a teeny tiny little bull flag here. Battling the 800s. We're trying to break it. We have 30 seconds left of this 5-minute candle.
Tried to pull me under, seen that splash, heard that thunder. Stock got tapped, but
getting a little bit of strength here. Getting a little bit of strength.
Bounce right back. Now I'm reclaim strong like a surf
Maybe come up, retest orb 830s. Hey, Marco! We're one trade in so far, sir. I think I'm really trying to slow down with my trading. I'm really trying to slow down. Like, I want to try to do maybe like 4, 5, 6 trades a session, something like that. Not fucking 383, you know? So we're doing good. 51,549. And we also have another one, 51,489, which we haven't touched yet today. We're slowly getting there, sir. We took a beautiful short this morning. I've been teasing. I know, halfway there. And if I'd only not traded 2, if I'd only traded 1, you know, we'd only be like 50 bucks away. We also have a French press, sir. Not to brag, but yeah, just slowly catching a little support. I think we're going to get a push up to the 830s. You'd think at the least, and then maybe we get a push up to the 870s. I'm not a French press person. Honestly, man, it's my first time ever using it because we're in the Airstream. So literally, I don't know. I just like, hey, what can I do right now? And so I just put a kettle. I put a kettle on the stove, bud. And had you been here, you would have heard the kettle actually whistle, right? Which I think is pretty cool. So I had my first ever kettle whistle today. And now I'm about to have my first ever French press. Just because it's for the Airstream, right? So we're trying to make it kind of a cooler experience for people and stuff like that. Like a little bit more of a unique experience. But I agree. I mean, it's water and coffee grounds. So I can't imagine it's going to blow me away. Is your Airstream pet friendly? Sadly, man, no. Which is so silly because obviously we have 2 dogs, we have 2 goats, we have, you know, 37 ducks, whatever it is. But it ended up being just too much of a pain in the butt, you know, especially dogs that have like that short hair. It would just like jab into all the seats and into all the, you know, cushions and whatever, blankets and blah, 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 blah. And it was just a nightmare to try to clean. So then we switched it to having, because we allowed pets at first. And then we switched it to still allowing pets, but we bought pet-specific bedding. So like sheets, comforter set, only for the pets. And only for pet people when they book in. And same thing, it was just like muddy paws, too much sand, too much shit everywhere. So, unfortunately, no, sir. Which kind of, you know, kills me a little bit because I'm a huge animal lover. Like, I love dogs to death. Even my dog doesn't get to come in here. Though he sneaks in here once in a while. Man, what a slow move. I wanted to take the long here, but kind of got scared out with his red candle. Didn't enter, and I guess I'm almost glad, man, because it's just like I don't even know what I would do. My entry would probably be right here. We'd just be skirting entry the whole time. But that makes sense. You're on a farm and the dogs are going to get dirty. Yeah, man, that's the problem. And especially, you know Florida, too, you know. There's just sand everywhere, so if the paws are just a little bit wet, you know, they pick up every little piece of sand, and then when they bring it in, they just freaking drop it off. Still forming a really, really nice bear flag. I kind of like Miguel's, wait to the retracement and then short. We just got to make sure that NVIDIA doesn't end up getting a little bit too much steam here. Fed Chairman Wersch is speaking today. Does anybody care about Wersch, though? And he's not until, what, 2 o'clock? There's a 2 o'clock speech. Oh, we're finally getting that push. Look at that. ES just pushed up nicely into its range. Yeah, hindsight 2020. Damn, that would have been a great long. He's at 10 a.m. Okay, when we were down in Florida, the landlord was very specific, saying the dogs could not be on the beds. Yeah, man. Yep, I get it. Especially because we have like we don't cheapen out on anything. Like the sheets are a couple $100 sheets, you know. They're not like from Target for 50 bucks or anything. And we bought like 3 or 4 sets already because we bought like the original set, and then we bought a backup set, and then we bought a pet set, and then we bought a backup pet set. I got 4 fucking sets of sheets. But everybody always comments. Everybody, when they leave, they ask us where we got our sheets from. Dang, man, I should have went with that long. Pillows and sheets are important. Yeah, man. Especially we're really trying to cultivate something here, you know. So at this point, you think it's probably going to go up to the 880s. Retest kind of the shoulder right here. NVIDIA's selling off just a little bit, but ES is pushing beautifully. Well, I guess I gotta go get my creamer real quick because that's the one thing that's not in here. I'll be right back. Yeah, so I didn't clean that very well.
Tonight, watch it flow. Liquidity's where we go. Hold the line. Riding trends or fading signs. Feel the swing. Breakouts take or chop will sting. VWAP drawn, we test the line. Don't get caught. Stop gets hit if risk's not thought. Stack the bids. Bears are trapped or bulls get clipped. Watch the zone. Order flow will lead you home. Sink or swim. Choose your side. Green or red. No place to hide. Now we go, New York Open, steal the show. Out on the lake, screen glow,
Yeah, baby.
tucked away. Make jet, y'all ready? Ducks on the water, let's ride.
Woo. Oh, give me a sec, Rose. I just got back.
Sun cracked dawn and the shoreline gleam. Check one chart, then I kill the screen. NASDAQ move still fresh in my head, but today is where the lines get.
Look at that.
Meg on the boat with the ears.
Look at that action.
Jet by my side, like let's go again.
Yeah, admittedly, that does look... You can even see from the color. It's a little thin. It's alright.
In a steady flow. Fire up the wakeboat, engine hum low. Set that speed, let the good times roll. Ballast heavy, build that face. Now we got
Look at that. We did a thing today, gang. We did a thing today.
red or green, just blue all around. But the same calm mind when I'm breaking it down with the charts of water. I stick to the plan, read the flow.
So let's see. This is either going to be the rejection down, or this is going to be our perfect opportunity to join this long. Let's see. If she breaks this, then probably the shorts are going to be in play. Nvidia's still red though. Q's formed bear flags. ES kind of formed a bear. Hey, Charles! There he is. Good morning, good sir. How we doing? How we doing? How we stinking doing? We've only made one trade so far, sir. We've only made one trade today. We're trying to slow it down a little bit, not be as much of a spastic squirrel. Damn it though, look at that. Ugh. I literally just said this is probably our good long. Now she's longing. Now our long is longing. You what? Okay, don't touch that. Dude's getting into the friggin' breaker box back here. Chilling here in Cali weather, says Charles. No way, man. I didn't even know that you were in California. You gotta look up Miguel. Miguel's in California too. What are you guys doing in Cali? Marco, looking for anything here. We can get a bull flag, swipe up, bear flag. Yeah, I know, man. I mean, we're almost at the 200 EMA again on the 5-minute, which would be 9:05. Hold on. Where do all my nice... I hate when this stuff adjusts on me. I don't want just the 9 anymore. I want to have all of them. Give me all the EMAs. I need every indicator there possibly is known to mankind. And then we got to be able to see them. We're getting old. Okay. See, if we had these on, we would have made more trades. Wow, I think this would be a perfect time to short. Ugh. Except for ES is really getting some strength. Nvidia is getting strength, but look at that. We finally came up, we tapped our 20. What is it? Yeah, the 20. Enjoying the weather. Is there anything else here to do in Cali? Sheesh. That's awesome, man. I can't wait for my Cali trip, you know? We've just been dying to do that road trip, see all the redwoods, you know, see the wine country, see all that good stuff. I went to California when I was really young. We went to like the zoo and all that stuff, but I don't know. We did a lot of those trips like when I was really young, you know. I was too young to really fully appreciate how kind of cool they were, you know. Like even when, like Hawaii, for example, we went to Hawaii when I was really young. We went to a lot of really good places when I was young, but I remember going to Hawaii. We did the road to Hana. We drove all the way up this volcano. And I remember having like my headphones on the whole time. I was one of those little shit teenagers. It was like, you know, too cool for the volcano. If I went there now, I'd be like, my head would be out the window like a dog. I'd be like, damn, look at that volcano. Look at that. Look at that flower. Hey, good news. What's up, big dog? Hell yeah. Man, is it Charizard? What? Man, is a Charizard. I don't even know what Charizard means. What's up, brother? All right, hold on. I'll get you cheddar bunnies in a second. Damn it. Why are we not taking these trades? I literally said, let's go long when it went down here. Now I'm saying let's go short when I hit the 21 and I'm not doing shit. I'm just sitting here. Which again, this might be, now that we're on a nice little trend line again, we're gonna try one just because we've been sitting here. see if it wants to keep going up. If it does, it should come up to this shoulder up here now, like the 932s. Pokemon, bro, I'm pissed. Why are we pissed? I'm not up to date in the Pokemon world. What's going on in the Pokemon world? Come on, baby. Let's rip through the 890s now. Let's get a nice little push. Nvidia's still pushing up, so we're looking okay over there. We're dancing at 10 points. I really like it to come up here, at least to the VWAP. Still just looking a little too weak. I went long at the bottom there, the very bottom, with 10 MNQ plus 500 exit. Needed to leave to pick up my daughter. Dang, dude. Yeah, that would have been a big trade. I don't like that we just wicked all the way down here. Let's see what kind of happens here. But I needed to start pushing up, otherwise we're coming down. What time is it? 10:11. We got 20 seconds left of this candle.
Not just numbers, but the way they think. One saw clearly where we went too fast. Other knew that patience really lasts. They didn't say it loud or bold, but the truth was there in the lines they told. Two traders growing side by side through the waves of ego and humble pride.
3 seconds. Not looking beautiful yet. We need to just kind of push above the 870s now. Like 873. Nine's curling down a little bit. Back in Texas later. I'm thinking about just getting out of this trade, maybe. It's looking weaker than we wanted it to look. Yeah, we're out of it. All right, let me go get the cheddar bunnies. I'll be right back.
We grow again. Sun's coming up, screens glowing gold. Another day in the life, stories get told. From the shoreline to the order flow, we ride the tide where the hot trades go.
884. Yeah, nice push down, nice rejection. Kind of missed it. But at this point, if this is going to be our higher low or lower high, we should be able to sink all the way down past 745 this time, you'd think. New 5-minute candle. So how's the trip been so far then, Charles? You guys loving it? And what part of California you guys in? Oh yeah, she's still sinking, man. Long Beach visiting family, beautiful, man. If this keeps pushing down, we'll go in again. Which it looks like it wants to. Weather here is just perfect. Marco just caught a nice short. Beautifully done, sir. Beautifully done. I snagged the tiniest little amount out of it, but I lost on that second trade. I'm about to be out for this trade. Charles, what were you doing? Were you high? Were you going up or down, man? I can't remember. Marco says ES is about to make a new high of the session. Which, yeah, watch this, a beautiful M pattern. We might be able to form a W here. I mean, this is kind of, the next couple of minutes will be kind of important. If we break through the 787s, then we're going down, we're cutting through it. If this ends up being our high or low, then we're pushing up through the VWAP, and we're going to push up to our session high. Charles is long from 29,779. Nice, sir. Very nice. Man, that's when I was talking about going long too. It was this I like this green candle. I was waiting for this green candle or this candle to turn green. It turned red, so it slowed me down on the decision, and then I got distracted and then took too long and blah blah blah. Huh. Yeah, ES is looking strong. Man, this market lately has just been a lot of this consolidation, then you get the move, and then a lot of consolidation, then you get the move, and then a lot of consolidation. Here's a new 5-minute. Beautiful break. Let's see if we can get some continuation. Tapped out. But that's exactly what we wanted to see. Now let's see if we can actually break through the 753. So what would our target be next? We're at the 200 EMA right now in the 1 hour. Next target might be the pivot point at like the 679s. So about another 100. It's 1020. We just got to make sure this isn't a double bottom. Yeah, Marco caught that short too. Nice job, good sir. I know, man. Those are the ones that, you know, kind of like, I don't know, influencers complain about it all the time too. That sometimes like the setup is just too fast. You know, you're looking for it, and then you just click the button so fast. It's like, I'm in. You know, you just hear the order fill, and you're like, oh shit, somebody's in a trade. From that blue line on your chart to the session low. Beautifully done, sir. What's up, bud? Here, just leave the glass here, though, so I know it doesn't get broken or nothing. Brand new candle in just a sec here. We're trying to push up just a little bit. That's our 100% target, or 50%. Our 100% would be 683. Makes a lot of sense still. So 700s, man, I gotta imagine the 700s are gonna get hit. So the only thing I would love to see now is a retracement. Man, can we get a retracement up to like 862, which would be 100 points up, and then we'll try to short again? That's what I'm trying to do now, is be a little bit slower with the trades. Marco says, look at the 2 minute. You had 2 inside candles, so you could play the breakout. Nice. Yeah, I don't even, where the heck did I get in? Let's see, price levels. Nope. Fills in order, show all. Yeah, I got in at the break. But I got just the tiniest amount off of it. 13 points. Yeah. Still breaking beautifully though. Here's the 730s. I don't know. I'm still just sitting here. We're obviously going down. And I think the 684s, 700, 684 should be pretty easy. Damn. Well, so now kind of the exact opposite. 670s, we might start wanting to go long sooner than later. 680s, yeah, man. Ooh, you don't want to go in too early. What could it go down to? 570s? Yeah, what a break. What a break, what a break, what a break. $550s. We have really strong support at the 550s. I'm kind of surprised it's falling this much. We have support between 560 and 640. I know, that's what I was looking at too, man. I was like, where do you start the long position? Even now that we went through the pivot point on the 1 hour, like that's a pretty strong. Wait for the
setup, don't force it, confirm it. Market breathe in, market breathe out.
I think we just gotta wait. You gotta wait to see where it settles.
Cut losses quick, let the winners run free.
Nvidia should have support down here at 208.
Sink or swim or win. Now the channel growing, people tuning in. From across the world, yeah, we building a win. Every stream, another life get changed. From confusion in
There's
the
that
charts to a
100%.
structured brain. I remember when I didn't understand. Now I break it down simple, step by step plan. If I can do it, yeah, you know you can too. Just stay consistent, let the process come through. Sink or swim, yeah, we rise every day. New York open, yeah, we lead the way from the
It's trying to slow down.
to a calm mindset, turning doubt into a system you can trust and bet. Sink or swim, yeah, we're building it right. From the morning bell into late night light. More than money, it's a life we design. Freedom in the charts and control of your time. Yeah, man, get that live every morning. Bring your charts.
650s. Come on, baby. Where are we gonna stop? $550s, yeah, man.
Yeah, man, sink or swim, but we float together. Win or learn, either way we better. New York open, every day, pull up. Yeah, wake up early, charts on glow. Hit go live, yeah, the whole crew show. Some got wins, some taking a loss. Still crack jokes, we don't feel the cost. NASDAQ moving, candles go out. But we keep it cool, keep the mindset style. Ask a question, yeah, we break it down. No ego here, just a learning town. Ain't about flex, ain't about fame. We all came here to learn the game. Some days red, some days green, but the vibes stay gold in the in-between. Win or learn, yeah, we still vibing. Live at the open every day.
Might go long here, guy.
Sink or swim, but we float as a team. Laugh through the losses, chase the
That's a trading cowboy setup if I've ever seen one.
it's all the same. Every mistake just
And then you should be able to target either this shoulder or the next one.
profit, still we all win. Cause the knowledge stack up deep within. Somebody type, man, I blew that trade. Next man reply, yo, I did the same. Then we laugh, then we learn. Real quick, find the flaw in the setup, fix the trick. Break down entries, talk through risk. Show 'em patience, yeah, don't rush this. No one perfect, yeah, we all improve. Step by step, that's the trade groove. From confusion to clarity day by day. Every chart got a lesson to say. Stick around, you gon' see that shit.
Come on, let's break the 715s. There we go. There we go.
Yeah, we still vibing. Live at the open every day. We riding. Sink or swim, but we float as a team. Laugh through the losses.
There we go.
Chase the dream. Win or learn, yeah, it's all the same. Every mistake just fuel for the flame. Even no profit, still we all win. Cause the knowledge stack up deep within. Echo, no stress. Just ride.
I mean, really, I kind of pushed out on that one. You should be able to target. You should be able to target 750s. It's doing what we wanted it to do, and I pushed out. Those are the things we got to get a little bit better at, is if it's going in the right direction, holding it, right? Holding it. Basically, as long as we don't print a red candle, it should still be viable. You can go from candle to candle to candle, you know?
That's the real profit that we know. Channel growing, yeah, the
Up 140 on the day now. Getting there, gang. Getting there.
One day clicks, then it all makes sense. All them losses build the confidence. From I don't know to now I see. That's the bad. That's the victory.
Yeah, look at that. Beautiful push.
We still vibing every single
Shoot.
morning. We arriving. New York open, yeah, we on that time. Building skill while we build that climb. We no learn, yeah, we keep it real. Every trade teach you how to feel. From the charts to the life.
Nvidia's starting to form a bear flag though. Obviously, Qs are forming a bear flag. ES is slowly forming one as well.
No rush, no pressure. Just show up, learn together.
Yeah, they're just chopping like we are.
Sink or swim, we float.
They're chopping a lot worse though. We're a little bit more directionally chopped.
Out on the lake, screen glow tucked away. Make jet, you already. Ducks on the water. Let's ride.
I mean, just based on this, even though we're forming a bear flag, with a 21 being up here, our trend line's kind of up here. I don't know. I still think we're going to push up.
Sun cracked dawn.
Push up to like the 800s. The 21 will probably get curled down to that point by then.
Nasdaq moves.
Same thing. If we just chop, if we chop for 10 more minutes in this direction, the 21 and our trend line will match up perfectly with the 800. That's what I think is going to happen.
In the perfect road, like clean little candles in a steady flow. Fire up the wake boat, engine hum.
Let's see. Let us see. I mean, the fact that it's breaking this isn't good though.
Last heavy, build that face. Now we got a wave I can really chase. No red or green, just blue all around. But
Apparently, forget I said anything.
when I'm breaking it down with the charts of water, I stick to the plan, read the flow, stay cool. Be the man, sink or swim, but I'm riding clean. From the market open to the lake serene. Megan Jet, yeah, they roll with him. Life's one way, sink or swim. Oh, let it ride, don't force the line with the wake or trade. Gotta trust the time. Ducks drift by while the sun dips in. We just laugh at
Marco thinks we're going for the 640s.
the rope. Now I'm locked in glide.
Is that delayed?
Wake like a rising tide. Same
We just hit the 640s.
morning trade, now it's flow on.
I'm learning the art of the DCA, my free eval. Hell yeah, bud. Did you mean to say 640s or something else though?
Ducks got a quick
Literally, like you're like, we're gonna hit the 640s, and we're at 640. I'm like, yeah, I think we are.
by the trade I took at night.
I blew up the 2 that I purchased. Well, those ones were talking shit. Nobody liked those evals anyways.
With the same control, different kind of chart, but I'm in
I heard it, Marco.
balance strong.
That one eval was talking to the other one, saying that you got little feet. I was like, that's kind of fucked up, man. Don't tell him he's got little feet.
Cause and effect, stay loose, stay sharp, earn that respect. Sink or swim,
Did you just eat all those cheddar bunnies?
No, still right there.
Oh, let me give you a war.
yeah, they roll with him. Life's one way, sink or swim.
Yeah, I didn't eat all
Let it ride, don't force the line. Whether wake or trade, gotta trust the time. Ducks drift by while the sun dips in. We just laugh at the edge, sink or swim. Used to think it's all about the wind. Green on the screen, stack it again. But peace,
You know,
it's
I
different
think
when the
that
boat
one
cuts slow. And your dog's right there in the golden glow.
you have to give this a couple minutes
Like
before
she
water to
knows
come out.
the deal. Jets stay hot, that energy real. Ducks in the distance, calm and free.
Okay.
Remind me what this life should be.
Look at this beautiful bear flag we're forming on the 5-minute. It's 10:34. We got 30 seconds left.
I leave it behind.
Oh, I don't know why. I guess I still want this thing to push up. I still want it to push up to the 800s first. Another 110 points up, and then maybe we can short it.
Boat comes in, dogs jump around. Best kind of profit I ever found. From the charts to the splash, it all connects. Patience flowing, what comes next? Where the deep in trades are out here free. It's the same
737, 737. Yeah, let's see if it breaks 737. If it breaks 737, it gives me a lot more confidence we're going up to the 8s.
yeah, they roll with him. Life's one way. Sink
I think we would hit 640 again and then start trying to go back up.
line, whether wake or trade,
Well, that is what's happening. That is what's happening, good sir.
dips in,
Though we're confusing the market makers with all of our lines. They don't know which way to go. We've kind of trapped them with our lines, see? They can't get out of it. They're like, we don't like that line. Let's come back down to here. Yeah, that line's too scary. Let's come down here. This line's a little safer. And then look. Then it's gonna go, this line's a little scary too. This one's a little scary. Ooh, we're gonna break the 638s again. No way. $570s then. $570s has got to be. The way this is chopping though, we really shouldn't chase anything like this because more than likely it's going to get retraced back and then it's going to come, but I'm pretty sure that I'm pretty confident 580s is where we're probably going to go. I think 570 would make a lot of sense, 572, 579, so I think 580s might be the safe one. But I could see this pushing all the way back up too, just because it's a little bit choppity today. 1037. Come on. Slowing down a little. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Got the stop in. Alright, got out of the 600. Let's see if it hits the 580s. We're up 161 on the day. It's a slower day, slower moving day, but we're still getting some peanuts off. What? Woohoo! Really? It goes woohoo! Dang, look at that. 589. We're almost at that 581 target. That's crazy.
I'm all the
Dang it. Yeah, I gotta hold longer. I need to hold longer.
Sink or swim. Fatally attracted to a brand new ticker. Everybody watching, everybody guessing. Who's getting in? Who's buying the top?
I can't believe how far we are from the EMA, 787. I mean, yeah, again, there should be a lot of support here. The 550 should have a whole bunch of support, you'd think. Otherwise, we're truly just slicing through. You did eat all the stinking bunnies?
No.
There's 4 left. That's alright, you can have them. You're done. Okay. Yeah, there it is, 580s. Shoot, man. We gotta hold a little better. Alright, this has to be support. This is premature because there's nothing telling us that we're going to go up, but 550s, just looking at the levels, I mean, there's just so much support here. If we break the support, we're flushing. We're going to, you know, 450s pretty quick. So I don't want to be too silly with this thing, but just seeing if we can't catch a quick little reaction back up. Which we might not be able to. What time is it? We got 40 seconds left. Come on, let's print a nice big fat green right here. We're gonna get wicked. This is kind of a pussy trade again, but we'll see. Yep. That's alright. We got a quick little guy off of there. Up 180 now. 180 on the day. Let's see if we can print another green candle, though, to give us confidence for us to go back up. Yeah, same thing. 70s. I got out of the 70s. And you got in at 60. Shit, man. 60. 70. I got 10 points. We got to get better at that stuff. We're having the right ideas. We just got to hold it a little longer. Formed a little bit of a bear flag. Let's see what the 5 minute looks like, though. No upper wick yet on this 5 minute candle. That would bring us back to 600s. Nvidia's selling off at the moment, though. Yeah. Yeah, you could. Yeah, you're finding some good hidden compartments out back there, huh? Not at the moment, baby. I still want to concentrate on my trading a little bit here. Just one round? Okay. Wow, the average candle size is increasing. Now it's 38. We're getting volatility is adding in. Hold on.
I'm blocking you.
Oh yeah? Guess what? Now you can't block me.
Oh
What? No, no, look. Tink, tink, tink. Tic-tac-toe.
Wait, 4 in a row?
Yup. Well, three in a row. Yup, we did it. Ah, 180 on the day. Come on, Greg. Let's do better. Let's do better, sir.
Hey, Dad. When you put them together, it makes like this.
Wow.
What's magic? Dad. Hey, Dad, there's a spell.
A mushroom spell?
Yeah.
What is it gonna do?
It comes to life.
Hi, Mr. Mushroom. Not for me. Don't eat me.
And he only eats mushrooms.
12.90. Man. Hey, driving obsession. Good morning, sir. Man, we're doing okay. It's such a slow. I've taken maybe 4 trades today. We're up 180. And we're up 51,634, so all that's good. But admittedly, my first trade felt great. It went all the way to price target. My second trade was a loser, but just a small loser. And then trades 3 and 4 were just small winners. So I don't know if my first trade I liked. Price target, proud of that. I don't know if I'm necessarily proud of my other trades yet. I like that we're going up, though. We're in the right direction, but I just want that trade that I'm proud of, you know? Which right now it looks like longs are really good. How you doing today, bud? Were you targeting long, shorts? What are you targeting today?
Dad, here's a big one.
Yikes. Mega one? Got my little guy right here playing with some mushrooms.
Dad, it's actually going to break.
It is.
And Dad?
Yikes.
And
Yeah, this long is looking good. 640s.
Dad, whoa. When you say the word...
The only thing I don't like is Nvidia's right at the top of its shoulder right now. So this could be Nvidia's rejection point. Here's our brand new 5-minute candle.
Mushroom.
Got one short. That's it so far. Yeah, dude, it's been a hard one, right? Because we're getting a lot of consolidated chop, and then we're getting moves, and then consolidated chop again. So it's really hard to target some of these with conviction. And then we're getting like, you know, consolidated small candles and then a couple big candles in a row, then consolidated small candles, then big candles in a row.
Yeah. Whoa, look at when you see the magic work, they all come back to normal.
Whoa. Now watch this. Magic, magic, make me a smiley face. What? Smiley face? Aw, you weren't too excited. Now it's a sad face.
Abracadabra, make a smiley face forever.
That's a big smiley face.
It's even bigger.
Good rejection off the 21 on the 1 minute. But man, we're just so far away from the EMA still on the 5 minute. I can't believe it. I thought at some point we'd kind of come back up and touch that. And that was back when we were, I thought we were going to touch it at the 800s. I thought we were going to match up right here with a touch and then rejection. Crazy.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
Dad,
Yeah.
something's happening.
What's happening?
Yeah, man. Rise with the market. Rise with the sun. Sink or swim. We teaching everyone.
520s?
New York open.
Dad, it's going to
Don't be
Man, I just couldn't imagine it still selling off more.
started with a vision in the chart on the screen. NASDAQ moving, yet the candles
That is a drug.
now I'm talking my place. Trying to show the world better ways through the maze. No more guessing, no more chasing the hype. Teach risk management, teach them trade it right. From the losses to the wins, yeah, I show it all. If you stumble one time, get back up, don't fall. Every morning when the bell gonna ring, we go live, let the knowledge we bring. Real time moves, no
I guess on the 1 hour we'd have support down here at the 500s. So if it wants to keep selling off, maybe we're targeting the 500s. Basically the support line way down here.
Dad, here's a big smiley.
Just forming bear flags after bear flags after bear flags here.
Hey, Dad, here's a smiley.
Wow. Nice smiley. Oh look, Momo's home. What does she have? I think she's bringing... Is she bringing a surprise? No, don't scare her. I think she has a surprise for you.
Are you a big boy going to school? Next month? What do you think that you need to put your stuff in?
What do you think? Oh, how cool! Look at that!
Do you like this one?
Look at the race cars.
That's a matching.
Feel it. Try it out, bud. What do you think?
You think you like this one for school?
A chain purse too? You can put all your cool stuff in there?
Look how much lunch we can fit in there.
What do you think? Is that a good one?
I thought you got it the octopod.
Well, you know what? Well, no, I didn't get the octopus. And they don't really sell octonaut stuff, unfortunately. Yeah.
Not anymore.
Yeah. Do you like this one? How about I get some patches and we put your name on it? Look at all the pockets it has. Look at that pocket.
Ooh, Nvidia's falling down. ES just fell down. We just fell down a little bit.
Look at this pocket.
No, we got a little interesting purse.
643 is providing really nice resistance.
Right here. We got this big
I would say if we push back through 580s, then the short should be in play.
Yeah. Is this good for back to school? You like this one? You're just a friend. Well, you're not gonna go back to Old Town. You're gonna go to my stash. How's that sound? Only 2 days a week.
2 days a week?
Yeah, and then there's me the other days.
Yeah, man. Sink or swim, but we float together.
Wow. Trying to keep this in
We
your
not
mind now.
learn. Either way, we better.
You want me to take it with me?
Yeah.
New York open
I'm gonna test it
every
out.
day. Pull up.
Whoa, that's pretty cool.
Okay,
Yeah, it's a good size. Okay, cool. Tatum's gonna come over soon.
What?
Yes, you're gonna need to put clothes on.
Cool. Jeez, this is a good day, Roars. Oh.
Chalks on glow.
I'm glad he was excited. For a second, he was like, "Is it an octo now?" And I was like, "Oh, shit."
Some got win, some taking a loss. Still crack jokes, we don't feel the cost. NASDAQ moving, candles go out, but we keep it cool, keep the mindset style. Ask a question, yeah, we break it down. No ego here, just a learning town. Ain't about flex, ain't about fame. We all came here to learn the game. Some days red, some days green, but the vibe stay gold in the in-between. Win or learn, yeah, we still vibing. Live at the open every day, we riding. Sink or swim, but we float as a team. Laugh through the loss.
Just waiting, gang. We just waiting. Let's see. The 9's trying to curl up over the 21. We got just this tiny little bit of support. If we can break the 580s, then we're going back to a 536 and should hit those 400s. Hit the trend line down here, 450s.
I blew that trade. Next man reply, yo, I did the same. Then we laughed and we learned real quick. Find the flaw in the setup, fix the trick. Break down entries, talk through risk. Show one patience, yet don't rush this.
We do have a brand new 1 hour candle coming in just 2 minutes.
Step by step, that's the trader groove. From confusion to clarity, day by day. Every chart got a lesson to say. Stick around.
Our 21 on the 5 minutes up here at 740 now. So still another 150 points above us. That would bring us all the heck way up to here.
Sink or swim, but we float as a team. Laugh through the losses, chase the dream. Win or learn, yeah, it's all the same. Every mistake, just fuel for the flame. Even though profit, still we all win. Cause the knowledge stack up deep within. Echo, no stress. Just progress. Red day, still okay. We show up anyway. Green day, don't get loud. Stay humble in the crowd. Together we rise, together we grow. That's the real profit that we know. Channel growing, yet the energy's strong. People feel like they finally belong. Not just charts, it's a
When's the last time we hit the 50? That was way back here.
blending community.
About an hour ago.
It all makes sense. Them losses build the confidence. From I don't know to now I see. That's the path, that's the victory. Win or learn, yeah, we still vibing. Every single morning we arriving. New York open, yeah, we on that time. Building skill while we build that climb. Win or learn, yeah, we keep it real. Every trade teach you how to feel. From the charts to the life you design, we gon' get there. Just give it time.
Trying to take out the 640s again. We've rejected hard off here each time, though. If we break through here, we're finally going to retest those 690s.
Sink or swim, we float forever. legend of the stage. Now we step up to the charts. Same kind of game. Nasdaq futures. Step right up. Greg on the mic say, come on down, 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 down. Early morning.
The 21 is now at 730, so another 100 points up.
Contestant standing by the line, trying to read price like a dollar sign. He said higher, but he start to slip. Greg just smile with a short side grip. Spin that wheel, let the number fall. Sometimes down is the best call. Everybody cheer when it hit up high, but they don't see truth on the other side. If you understand how the game go round, you can still win when it's heading down. Come on down, yeah, the price drop low. That's the kind of move that the pros all know. It's not always bad when the market goes down, especially if you're short, you can still wear the crown.
That was our 1 hour candle. Had a nice little push down. Let's see if that was a push down just for us to be able to start pushing up.
Like the wheel when it spin back around, that's your moment. Say, come on down. Boom, boom. Blinko chip, drop, bounce left, bounce right. Market
Got a brand new candle in 2 seconds here. Let's see.
too fast, yeah, you might get burned. Better wait till the setup confirm. Showcase, showdown. What's it worth? Too much hype. Get your left in the dirt. But break it down. Keep it calm, precise. Don't chase the top. Let it pay the price. Everybody love when you run real tall. But a smart trader see both sides of the car. Up or down.
If it keeps pushing down through, pushes back through the 590s, I think we're going to jump in the short. Otherwise, we might still just be in the chop range. We're just going to chop all the way back up to the 640s. Nvidia is starting to look a little bit weaker, though. But yeah, look at this push back up.
Confusion spread across the land. Some see red and they feel that fear. Others see chance when the path get clear. It's all perspective, how you read that chart. Up ain't the only way to play your part. Bid too high like a wrong showcase. Now you're stuck in a losing place. But if you wait and you time that drop, you can ride that wave straight to the top. Lesson learned in the price we see.
Now, admittedly, this is kind of, unfortunately, the bottom of what is that chop range, the 600s. The top of the chop range is the 640s. So, there's admittedly a good chance we're just going to go right back up to the 640s. I'm still bearish on this kind of session still. Just based on the trend lines and everything else, I think 450s is in play. But we haven't touched the 21 in so long on the 5 minute, which would bring us back up to the 730s. So that's the only thing I'm kind of battling in my mind is I don't really want to hold this 130 points against me, you know. Here we are down at the 580s. Basically, it needs to break now or it's going to come back up to the 640s. Watch, it's going to come back up to the 640s. Damn, I shouldn't have gotten stopped out. What time is it? Here's our brand new 5 minute candle pushing up a little bit. No bottom wick, so at the very least we're going to hit 588 again, which we just did. Come on, keep pushing down now.
Everybody's first one in the room. Charts already in the morning. VWAP line. Felt that rhythm, said today is mine. I typed it quick so the whole chat knew. Said he caught that break, rode the move clean through. Then another voice from the shadows replied, said slow down man, I was on that side. As Greg spoke, I'm breaking down the play. They kept talking in their own small way.
Here's a push back to the 640s.
Two different minds, but the same young star. And the chat went back and forth like waves. Two traders talking about the wins they get. Little bit of pride, little bit of truth. Oh, while learning in the sink or swim both. Some days green and some days red, but they kept showing up like Greg once said. In the noise of the market and all that spin, they were both just trying to learn within. First one bragged by the points he made. Second one laughed, said I flipped that trade. One chased 30, had to take that loss. Other stayed back, let the price exhaust. Still they joke that they always do. Throw a little lines, but it all rang true.
Man, sorry gang, it's just kind of a boring paint drying style day, right? Chop, 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 then move. Chop, 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 then move. Chop, 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 chop. I mean, look at this 5 minutes, nothing, right? Just a big old ball of nothing. The only thing that we should have done is, well, I should have put my stop in on this trade again because we were up, you know, 10, 15 on it. And then retargeted the 640s to re-enter, but it's okay.
Voices in the school, trying to master self-control. One said, tighten up that risk. Others said, don't rush like this. Greg's voice steady through it all, teaching how to rise or fall. By the close, they both that changed a bit. Not just numbers, but the way they think.
Damn, here's the 640s again.
Traders drifting but unified through the wins, the losses, the things unseen. They were building more than a P&L screen. Sink or swim wasn't just a name, it was where they came to refine their game. And in every line that they typed within, they were both learning how to win. Yeah man, not just trades, not just cause, but the voices behind it all. Sink or swim, we grow again.
720s now.
Turn it up tonight. Feel the neon light. We don't slow it down when it going up. We just run the tap.
Man, we're just so far away now. I really think 720s is more than likely going to get hit sooner than later. Just for us to retest that 21, retest our trend line, things like that. I added one more into the position, admittedly so I can get out of it. I'm hoping we get a quick push down to like the 620s, 616s. I can get out of my, just average out a little bit.
When the numbers rise, no stress here, just the way we ride. Hands up high when the charts align. VIP fuel when the candles run. Champagne dreams when the trade get done.
9 crossed over the 21.
To the screen, let the night begin. Don't stop to the top. Don't stop to the top.
The market is bringing that 21 on the 5 down for us. So now it's 714 is where we'd hit that 21. Almost back to break even here, 623. Which again, even though I'm in this short, I think we're going to pop up to that 21 and then start shorting. Which is up here at 713. It's still basically 100 points. So if we can get out of 1 or 2 of them, and then wait for the 700s, then see if we reject, that would certainly be the smarter trade. Come on, give me that nice little push down here. I just cycled accounts, by the way. I went to this other account instead. My other one's up 180, which isn't great, but it's green. Oh, don't wick me, man. Don't friggin' wick me.
Sunrise glow and the screens light up. Got my mind right now. Yeah, I've had enough of doubt and fear. I leave them behind when the market opens. It's all on the line.
Man, if we could just break 608 right now and start selling off, we could get a nice, beautiful 100-point trade right now. This is definitely lining up for a nice 100-point trade. We just needed to break 608. Nvidia's looking good for it. ES is still pushing down. We just need this next candle to break 608. And then hopefully with a break in 608, we wouldn't come back above 628. And then our stop at 638 should hopefully be safe. But we need to push down, not up. Come on, push down, push down, push down. Fuck yes. And then look at Nvidia. Nvidia just broke a new session low too. So that should give us some strong push down. Come on, baby. Let's get 100 today. Let's get 100. We had 100 yesterday. We had 100 the day before. If this could be our third day in a row of getting 100 points, I'd be pretty damn happy. So 651, 551 would be 100 right here. That'd be 100 right there. Now, of course, this is the bottom of our chop zone, so we got to push through it this time. Which we are! Come on, baby. Let's get that 100. Oh, man. I'm almost tempted not to bring the stop down, but I think I should. Damn it. Come on, baby. Let's get the 100, though. Let's get the 100. 651. We need 551. 551 right here. I'm not even going to put a target there because hopefully it'll sink through and then keep sinking. Nvidia is still sinking, so there's no reason for us to not sink. I just hate that we've been in the chop zone for so stinking long. Come on, baby. New candle coming in just 17 seconds. We're still sinking down. Can we get 100? Come on, 3P. 3P 100? Woo! Should we change the Bob Barker song quick? Bob Barker, come on down. Bob Barker, come on down.
Big respect to Bob Legend of the stage. Now we step up to the charts. Same kind of game. Nasdaq futures. Step right up.
Come on, keep pushing. Keep pushing. 100 points. Come on, baby. 100 points. Woo!
Early morning, screen light.
Come on.
Future sticking which way it goes.
651. 551 would be 100. Shoo! I think we're gonna hit it.
Body start to slip. Greg just smile with a short side grip. Spin that wheel.
Come on, baby. Come on. 100 points.
Sometimes down is the best call. Everybody cheer when it hit up high, but they don't see truth on the other side.
It's slowing down. It's slowing down. Give us the push. 100 points. Fuck yeah. Woo! Woo! Oh, man. I don't want to bring my stop down there yet, though. Oh, don't react up. Don't react up. Don't react up. No! Ah, you bastard. I think we wicked. That's all right. That's all right. Son of a gun, though. Usually when it hits that 100, I like to drop the stop where the 100 is to kind of lock that in. Oh, we're almost there. We're going to be shy of 100. It's going to wick us shy. Come on, turn, turn, turn. Go, 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 go! Ah! Damn it. Close, man. Close, 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 close. Damn. We did make a new session low with that, though. So, of course, you know, hit session lows, sometimes you get that big reaction up. Come on down. Damn, that was so quick, too. It just hit it so quick. Still, I don't know. I'm excited about that. Third day in a row. Third day in a row, we've got 100. Though technically, we didn't get 100, but we didn't take it off. Damn. So Nvidia basically came down, bounced off of its 200 EMA. Let's see if that's a good stopping point. I mean, it is. That's a beautiful stopping point for it. We came down to the 530s. Huge reaction back up. Which, yeah, I mean, that was a pivot point. That was a pivot point back here. And it just barely wicked through like the Asian highs, New York PM highs. We still have this support point down here, though. I think we're going to hit, but my God, look at that reaction up now. Huge stinking reaction up. Back to the 600s now. Delete everything. Start over. No upper wick on this new 5-minute candle. That would bring us back to 608. Oh, put some music on 1 sec. This might be good for the short still. Shoot, I just don't like that we don't have that upper wick on that 5-minute candle.
New York open every day. Don't be late. Started with the vision in the chart.
We're up 180 on one account. We're up 100 on the other. So we're up 280. Not a bad day. It's not a bad day so far. See if we can't get it to come back to like the 640s, and then maybe we can retry a short again. $557, still breaking. Look at this. Crazy. 530s. I mean, again, my target's down here, I guess, right? 460s. Yeah. Let's see if we can get some type of push up, and then yeah, I think I'm gonna probably try the short again. Or we're just gonna jump in now. Come on. We just have to make sure NVIDIA doesn't reject again. NVIDIA is about to hit their, where they bounced again. 530s. Come on, just push down through it. Still 50 seconds left in a brand new 5-minute candle.
Now the channel growing, people tuning in from across the world. Yeah, we building a win.
ES is looking red. 608.
Now remember when I didn't understand. Now I break it down simple, step by step plan. If I can do it, yeah, you know you can too. Just stay consistent, let the process come through. Sink or swim, yeah, we rise every day. New York open, yeah, we lead the way. From the first trade jitters to a calm mindset, turning doubt into a system you can trust and bet. Sink or swim, yeah, we building it right. From the morning bell into late night light. More than money, it's a life we design. Freedom in the charts and control of your time. Yeah, man, hit that light every morning. Bring your charts, bring your mind. Sink or swim, we rise every time.
Huh. Yeah, she's still pushing.
Yeah, man, sink or swim, but we float together. We no learn, either way we better. New York open every day. Pull up.
Hopefully we can just hurry up, put a wick on that like 610.
Wake up early, charts on glow.
Put a wick up to like 610, 611, then we'll reject there, come back down.
Some got win, some taking a loss. Still crack jokes, we don't feel the cost. NASDAQ moving.
still haven't hit the 21. The 21's up at 671 now. Well, 678 technically. Look at this 5 minutes though. Just boom, 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 boom. Chop, 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 chop.
Some days green, but the vibes stay gold in the in-between. Win or learn, yeah, we still vibing. Live at the open every day, we riding. Sink or swim, but we float as a team. Laugh through the losses, chase the dream. Win or learn, yeah, it's all the same. Every mistake just fuel for the flame. Even no profit, still we all win. Cause the knowledge stack up deep within. Somebody type, man, I blew that trade. Next man reply, yo, I did the same. Then we laugh, then we learn real quick. Find the flaw in the setup, fix the trick. Break down entries, talk through risk. Show one patience, yet don't rush this. No one perfect, yeah, we all improve. Step by step, that's the trade to groove. From confusion to clarity, day by day. Every drop got a lesson to say. Stick around, you gon' see that shift. Time in the game is the realest gift.
Oh, just the slowest moving thing, man.
Stack up deep within. Echo, no stress. Just progress. Red day, still okay. We show up anyway.
Ugh.
Don't get lost. Stay home.
Admittedly, these are one of these trades now that kind of sometimes sneaks up against you how big it'll end up getting. Because, you know, 660s is a pretty obvious, like I was saying, that's what I've been targeting this whole time, 660s. I mean, now 5-minute pivot point, 670s, 21 EMA, 683. So there's a couple different things I can kind of convince myself, oh yeah, I could add one here, I could add one here. And then before you know it, you know, it's up to here and you have fucking 10 against you. So we're going to make sure we don't do that today. But hopefully, this trend line right here, this is where we just added one. Hopefully the trend line kicks us back down.
Every single morning, we arrive in New York, open, yeah, we on that time. Building skill while we build that climb. Win or learn, yeah, we keep it real. Every trade teach you how to feel. From the charts to the life you design, we gon' get there. Just give it time. Yeah, man. No rush, no pressure. Just show up, learn together. Sink or swim, we float forever. Yeah, man. Big respect to Bob Barker, legend of the stage. Now we step up to the charts, same kind of game. Nasdaq Futures, step right up. Greg on the mic say, come on down, 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 down. Early morning, screen light glow. Future sticking which way it go. Contestant standing by the line, trying to read price like a dollar sign. He said, higher. Body start to slip. Greg just smile with a short side grip. Spin that wheel, let the number fall. Sometimes down is the best call. Everybody cheer when it hit up high, but they don't see truth on the other side. If you understand how the game go round, you can still win when it's heading down. Come on down, yeah, the price drop low. That's the kind of move that the pros all know. It's not always bad when the market goes down, especially if you're short, you can
I'm right against the trend line right now. This is kind of where we got to bump our head and fall back down, make a new low.
Confusion spread across the land. Some see red and they feel that fear. Others see chance when the path get clear. It's all perspective, how you read that chart. Up ain't the only way to play your part. Bid too high like a wrong showcase. Now you're stuck in a losing place. But if you wait and you time that drop, you can ride that wave straight to the top. Lesson learned in the price we see. Market moving like a game show spree. Every tick got a chance inside. If you know when to switch your side. Come on down, yeah, the price drop low. That's the kind of move that the pros all know. It's not always bad when the market goes down, especially if you're short. You can
670, 680, still kind of the place we're gonna add into, unfortunately, but then that hopefully will be the end all be all. Hits that and then sells off. We'll see. Admittedly, everything's kind of gotten some strength here.
read the chart, play the game, but play it smart. Big up Bob Barker and big up Greg. When the market drops, we don't beg, we just smile and say, come on down, 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 down. Yeah, man. Early morning, screens light up. Sink or swim, go live. Chat fill up. Two voices rise from the scroll below. Everybody's first one in the room. Charts already in the morning gloom. Saw the candles dancing near VWAP line. Felt that rhythm, said today is mine. I typed it quick so the whole chat knew. Said he caught that break, rode the move clean through. Then another voice from the shadows replied, said slow down man, I was on that side. As Greg spoke, calm breaking down the play. They kept talking in their own small way. Win or lose, they would both take part. Two different minds, but the same young start. And the chat went back and forth like waves.
Forming a little bit of a bull flag here on the 5-minute, but I was going to say, the way that we've been so volatile, I couldn't imagine it not coming at least back down to the 580s, which unfortunately is very close to my entry point, 588.
But they kept showing up like Greg once said. In the noise of the market and all that spin, they were both just trying to learn within. First one break with a he made. Second one lap, so they flipped that trade. One chase 30, had to take that loss. Others stayed back, let the price exhaust. Still they joke that they always do. Throw a little lines, but it all rang true. Cause behind every jab and every claim was a deeper respect for the learning game. Greg kept teaching calm and clear. Why that sets up work right there. And in between
Yeah, shoot, man. After that wick, now it's pushing up strong, so.
Wasn't just a game, it was building the skill through the loss and pain. Echo, voices in the scroll, trying to master self-control. One said, tighten up that wrist. Other said, don't rush like this. Greg's voice steady through it all, teaching how to rise or fall. By the close they both that changed a bit. Not just numbers, but the way they think. One saw clearly where he went too fast. Started to know that patience really lasts. They didn't say it loud or bold, but the truth was there in the lines they told. Two traders growing side by side through the waves of ego and humble pride, and the chat still moved like the rising tide. Two traders drifting but unified through the wins, the losses, the things unseen. They were building more than a piece.
Just slowly chopping up, man. So I think I got to get out at least one of them sooner than later.
It was where they came to refine their game, and in every line that they typed within, they were both learning how to
Because it seems pretty bound and determined to hit that 670s.
Not just cause, but the voices behind it all. Sink or swim, we grow again. Pump, pump, pump. Pump, pump, pump. Turn it up tonight. Pump, pump, pump. Feel the neon light. Pump, pump, pump. We don't slow it down when it going up. We just run the tap. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Flashing lights and the numbers climb. Heartbeat sync with the baseline. All eyes locked.
650s, come on, man. Just hit the 670 to go down. Fuck me.
Bodies moving like the price don't stop when it start to run. Take it to the top. Turn it up tonight. Come on. Feel the neon light. We don't slow it down when it going up. We just run the tap. Let your body go. Let the rhythm flow. Lose control, jump in when the market rise. Yeah, we all gon' win. Stepping clean with a confident vibe. Whole room shift when the numbers rise. No stress here, just the way we ride. Hands up high when the charts align. VIP fuel when the candles run. Champagne dreams when the trade get done. All night long, yeah, we stay locked in. From the floor to the screen, let the night begin. Don't stop. To the top. Don't stop. To the top. To the top. To the top. To the top. Feel it in your chest. Yeah, we have no stress. Like flash, hands high. NASDAQ glowing like the night sky. We don't come down. Run this whole town. All gas, no brakes. When the beat drop hard and the whole floor shakes. Slow it down. Feel that heat.
Come on, you
Every
devil.
move in sync with the beat. Close your eyes, let it rise. Feel the rush, know the skies. Now it climbing, now it peaking. Everybody feel that weekend feeling. One more push, don't hold back. Right here, that's the breakout track. Lose your mind tonight. Everything feel right.
So Nvidia forming a bull flag. ES is slowly popping up. Damn it, man. Q's slowly popping up. 670s is still the potential target for the high side, and then hopefully we can short a little bit better from there. But admittedly, I'd like to average out of this if I can. We've just been stuck in it for way too long now, with kind of no guarantee she's going to come down.
Will we sink or will we swim? Sink or swim?
Damn it. Tried to get out of one right there.
Sunrise glow and the screens light up. Got my mind right now. Yeah, I've had enough of doubt and fear. I leave them behind when the market opens. It's all on the line. NASDAQ moving like a restless sea.
There we go. Come on, just fucking fall.
Stay sharp now. Don't lose your head. One wrong move and you're under instead. Got my levels drawn, got my wrist defined, but the wave still tests what's inside my mind. Price dips low, try to shake my frame, but I hold my ground. I don't play that game. Heartbeat steady as the candles form. Either ride it clean or get caught in the storm. No in between when you step on in. Every single trade is sink or swim. Sink or swim.
So if it goes back up to the 670s, we're going to add the one I just took off back in.
Feel that pull, but I won't give in. I ride that wave. Sink or swim. Oh, no safety line. Just the charts in this heart of mine. High tide, I'm diving in. It's the trader's life. Sink or fake breakout hit, tried to pull me under. Seen that splash, heard that thunder. Stop, got tapped, but I keep my cool. Even deep waters got their rules. Bounce, bounce right back. Now I'm reading flow. By your step in, yeah, I feel that glow. Reclaim strong like a surfer would from the white.
There we go. Nvidia's finally breaking back down.
Every loss like a
Shoot, I really thought we'd go up to the 70s first, though. Man.
grin. 'Cause I know one ride can change it all. From a small time drift to a major call. Pressure builds, but I stay locked in. That's the edge if you're gonna win. No regrets when the trade begins. You either float or sink within. Sink or swim, yeah, all the way in. Either drown in fear or rise to win. Feel that pull, but I won't give in. I ride that wave. Sink or swim. Oh, no safety line.
Back to break even. Damn it, man.
High tide,
We're up 180 on the other account. Break even on this account now.
trader's life. Sink or swim. Deep water days when it all goes wrong. Account feels light, but the will stays strong. Close my eyes, see the ocean say you don't learn to surf on the perfect day. So I breathe in, let the moment pass.
Gonna have our stop in just in the off chance that we want to go back up to the top of the chop.
That's how real
8 seconds left of this candle.
midday calm, but I stay away. Even quiet tides got moves to share. One clean setup, that's all I need. Plant that tray like a steady seed. Wrist to reward like the push and pull. Can't rush the wave, gotta wait till full. Then I drop in smooth, no
Come on, keep pushing for us. Keep pushing.
no stress, no press. Close it green as the sun dips low.
Green on the day. Fuck me.
Win or lose, I respect the sea. 'Cause it gives
30 seconds left. Let's get a better push than this. We've just been so choppy. I don't know if we'll get the continuation here or not.
the drowning fear or rise to win. Feel that pull, but I won't give in. I ride that wave. Sink or swim. Oh, no safety line. Just the charts in this heart of mine. High tide, I'm diving in. It's the trader's life.
4 seconds.
Or swim. Yeah. No lifeguard, no rescue call. Just discipline,
So right back to the bottom of the chop zone, 600s. Let's see if we want to pop back up to the 650s. We'll try another short of the 650s, 670s. Our 21 EMA got curled down to 664 now. But look at this chop. I mean, literally, we've just been in this chop since 10:45 for an hour. We've been stuck in this range. NVIDIA is right at its 200 EMA. ES is right below it. Comes back up at 660s, we'll short it again. I don't want to be early this time though. I keep shorting down here thinking it's breaking, and then it comes all the friggin' way back up here and then decides to break. There we go, breaking again, breaking again. But still, this is every time it's done this, I've tried to chase it and it's fucked me up every single time. Oh right, I never sent him the address.
Oh, let's see.
Trust my edge, let the profits grow. Loss don't shake me, it's part of the game. Learn one lesson, never trade the same. Sunset glow with the bowl in hand. Carving waves like a plotted the plan. Life's so sweet, yeah, I can't complain. From the chops to the lake, same lane. I'm living that lake life, feeling so free. Built it myself, now I just be me. Wake surf riding while the baseline roll. Financial peace.
Steal the show.
Out on the lake, screen glow, tucked away. Meg jet, you ready? Ducks on the water, let's ride. Oh, 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 oh. Sun cracked dawn and the shoreline gleam. Check one chart, then I kill the screen. NASDAQ moves still fresh in my head, but today is waves where the lines get red.
All right, gang. I think that's going to be it for us today. Too friggin' boring, man. We're up 180 on the day in this account. We're up $9, or we're down $9 in the other account. We were up 100 for a little bit, but it's just a little bit too choppy, right? I mean, literally since 10 o'clock, there's nothing. Look at this 5-minute chart. It's friggin' ugly. We are starting to form a really slow bull flag here, but man, I don't know. I just don't know if I trust it at all. Well, Nvidia's about to make a session low, though. What time is it? It's 11:55. Got a brand new 5-minute candle coming right here. 6:56. Our 21 on the 5 is up here at 650 now. So if we could get a 650 retest, that would be a great short opportunity. That's just been my problem with today, is it looks real weak. It looks like we're going to fall down. I'll short here, and then it'll go up 70 points against me, you know. And then the added ends up working out, but...
Perfect bounce right off VWAP line. Now I'm cutting waves with the same control, different kind of shot, but I'm in the zone. Balance strong, yeah, the stance feels right. Whether risk on screen or this board I ride, every move got a cause and effect. Stay loose, stay sharp, earn that respect. Sink or swim, but I'm riding clean. From the market open to the lake serene. Meg and Jet, yeah, they roll with him. Life's one way, sink or swim. Oh, let it ride, don't force the line. With the wake or trade, gotta trust the time. Ducks drift by while the sun dips in. We just laugh at the edge, sink or swim. Used to think it's all about doing green on the screen.
This is the third time that Nvidia's came down to this point and then rebounded.
Cut slow, and your dog's right there in the golden glow. Meg look back like she knows the deal. Jets stay high, that energy real. Ducks in the distance, calm and free. Remind me what this life should be. Evening fall in the sky turns gold. Close the day, let the story be told. Win or loss, I leave it behind. Cause tomorrow brings another grind. But right now it's the way and breeze. Cool lake air through the cypress trees. Board comes in docks, jump around. Best kind of profit I have found. From the charts to the splash, it all connects. Patience flow, and what comes next? Whether deep in trades or out here free, it's the same mindset that carries me.
Yeah, that's it. It's too boring. All right, gang. I love y'all to death. 179 on the day. I don't know, man. Some days are just like that, you know? It's not a red day. So we're getting there. 51,634. We're officially past the halfway point. Follow along to see if we can pass the stinking thing. And as always, if you had fun with us today, please like and subscribe. It means the world to me. I am affiliated with Legends here. They're doing the buy